Hello. My name is Monica, your digital presenter for today's event. Before we dive into the exciting and informative content we've prepared for you, here's a quick disclaimer. I'm actually an artificial intelligence, AI, designed and programmed to assist with sharing valuable knowledge and resources. I am here to provide evidence-based, up-to-date information and guidance, and will be sharing real stories from my colleagues at FND. Here at FND, we value honesty and transparency in all our interactions. We at the Family Network on Disabilities believe that the incredible advancements in technology, such as AI, can significantly enhance our ability to provide families with the resources, support, and information they need. All the information shared in this training comes from the dedicated team of experts at FND who have years of experience, rich understanding, and most importantly, a deep passion for supporting families just like yours. Family Network on Disabilities began in 1985 by a group of parents of children with disabilities who came together looking for mutual support. FND is a grassroots organization for persons with disabilities and their families that is family-centered and family-driven. What makes FND unique is that the majority of our board members, our management staff and program staff, are either individuals with experience with a disability or have family members with a disability, which gives us the perspective of empathy and compassion for the work that we do. Before we begin, I'd like to share a little bit about Family Network on Disabilities. We are a 501c3 nonprofit organization helping families across the state. We're funded in part by the U.S. Department of Education and the U.S. Department of Health through the Health Resources Services Administration. We use all that funding to provide information, resources, and support and training to families, educators, professionals, and providers throughout the state. We do not charge for our services. At this time, we would like to make a disclaimer that we at FND are not attorneys, doctors, or mental health professionals. We do not offer legal or medical advice in our workshops. We are happy to support you with information, resources, and support. We use research-based information in our training and materials. Today we're going to be talking about Parents as Leaders, a parent guide to local, state, and national resources. This is segment 2 of 4. So let's get started. Our goal today is to highlight the tools that help you succeed. This includes 4 main areas. Reliable resources. We'll start by emphasizing the importance of using trustworthy information and guidance. Like a strong foundation, reliable resources set the stage for success. Local resources. Next, we'll look at what's available in your immediate community. Local networks, organizations, and services offer valuable support and connections for your journey. State resources. Moving beyond your locality, state-level programs, grants, and initiatives provide additional opportunities to propel your progress. National resources. Finally, we'll explore resources that span the entire country. Federal programs, initiatives, and online platforms offer broader support for your ambitions. To sum up, we're here to explore how reliable resources, local connections, state-level opportunities, and national platforms can contribute to your success. Thank you for being a part of this exploration. Let's dive into each area and discover the resources that can help you achieve your goals. Why is it so important to rely on reliable resources? Let's explore how making well-informed choices can significantly impact your journey to success. Ensuring credible information and professional vetting. Mitigating misinformation and potential harm. Reliable resources act as a shield against misinformation. They provide a safeguard against misguided choices that might otherwise lead to negative consequences. By relying on trustworthy sources, you're safeguarding your progress. Leveraging expertise and professional opinions. The insights from experts and professionals offer invaluable guidance. Drawing from their expertise, you can navigate complex challenges more effectively, making informed decisions that propel your success. Gaining access to verified and trusted information. Trusted resources offer a repository of verified knowledge. This enables you to access accurate information, aiding your decision-making process and fostering a deeper understanding of your field. Staying up to date. The dynamic nature of knowledge and information. Knowledge is ever evolving. Relying on reliable resources keeps you in tune with the latest trends, research finding, and developments, enabling you to remain at the forefront of your industry. Keeping pace with evolving trends, research, and developments, industries and fields are constantly changing. By utilizing dependable sources, you ensure you're well informed about emerging trends, which in turn enhances your adaptability and innovation. Adapting to changing circumstances and needs. Change is a constant. Trustworthy resources help you navigate shifts, ensuring your strategies and decisions remain relevant in the face of evolving circumstances. Tapping into networks for collaboration and advancement. Reliable resources often extend to networks that provide opportunities for collaboration. Connecting with peers and experts opens doors to partnerships that drive your progress. Engaging with individuals in similar situations. Connecting with like-minded individuals fosters a sense of community. Sharing experiences and insights with those who understand your challenges creates a supportive network. Expanding knowledge about available support systems. Reliable resources introduce you to services, organizations, and resources you might not have been aware of. This enriches your understanding of the support systems available to you. Discovering unknown services, resources, and organizations. Enhancing decision-making and problem-solving abilities. Dependable resources equip you with the information needed to make informed decisions and effectively address challenges, enhancing your problem-solving capabilities. Identifying specialized resources to address specific needs. Trustworthy sources direct you to specialized resources that cater to specific needs or situations, allowing you to find solutions tailored to your unique circumstances. Expanding opportunities for growth and development. By tapping into verified resources, you access opportunities for personal and professional growth that may otherwise have gone unnoticed. In conclusion, the importance of relying on reliable resources cannot be overstated. From ensuring accurate information to staying up to date, building connections, and discovering hidden gems, these resources lay the foundation for your journey to success. Today, we're focusing on a crucial question: where can you find local disability resources for your child or someone you know who has a disability? Let's explore the avenues available to access the support and resources you need. Accessing local disability resources. Online search, Google. The first and often easiest step is a simple Google search. By typing in your location along with relevant keywords, you can uncover a wealth of local resources, organizations, and support groups dedicated to assisting individuals with disabilities and their families. School resources. Look no further than your child's school. Educational institutions frequently offer a range of resources tailored to support children with disabilities. Special education programs, speech and language therapy, and occupational therapy are just a few of the avenues your child's school might provide. School district engagement. Expand your search to your child's school district. Many school districts have centralized resources that offer information on services, funding opportunities, and support groups specifically aimed at families with disabilities. Pediatrician's office. Your child's pediatrician's office is a valuable resource hub. They often have insights into local organizations, services, and support groups that cater to both medical and non-medical needs of children with disabilities. Local libraries. Libraries are more than just a repository for books. They can be treasure troves of information. Many local libraries offer resources that can aid in education, research, and support services for families facing the challenges of disabilities. By leveraging these resources, you're opening doors to a world of guidance, assistance, and understanding that can profoundly impact the lives of individuals with disabilities and their families. Here, we present some key resources that can provide immense support and assistance. Parent-Teacher Association, PTA. Your child's school PTA is a valuable resource right at your fingertips. It can offer you insights into school programs, extracurricular activities, and vital parent-teacher communication. Participating in the PTA is not only an opportunity to get involved in your child's school, but also a means to stay well informed about ongoing developments. Local parent support groups. Embracing a network of parents who understand your journey can be profoundly impactful. Local parent support groups offer emotional support, valuable information about nearby resources, and a welcoming community of parents sharing similar experiences. A simple Google search or a conversation with your child's pediatrician can help you find these groups. Meetup.com. Meetup.com emerges as a digital platform that bridges the gap between families seeking support. Here, you can connect with other families within disability support groups, fostering a sense of camaraderie and understanding. It's a space to share experiences, knowledge, and support with those navigating similar challenges. FindHelp.org. In the digital age, resources are just a click away. FindHelp.org is a website that can guide you to local resources catering to various needs, including parenting resources. By entering your zip code and selecting the desired category of resources, you gain access to a curated list of local organizations and programs that can provide the assistance you seek. Think of these extra resources as important pieces in your support system. They make your journey better and help you find what you need for disability resources. Now we will explore some state-level resources. FND website, Family Network on Disabilities, fndusa.org. The Family Network on Disabilities, FND, is an exceptional resource. It offers families and individuals with disabilities a wealth of information, training, and support. Their comprehensive website is a treasure trove of resources, education, and advocacy. Florida Department of Education, BEES discretionary projects. The Florida Department of Education's BEES projects fund programs that cater to students and families. Among them are initiatives like Project 10, focused on successful post-secondary outcomes for students with disabilities, SEDNet, which supports emotional and behavioral disabilities, and Fiddlers, providing specialized resources to enhance educational outcomes. State PTA, Florida Parent-Teacher Association. The state PTA is a potent source of support and advocacy across Florida. Their website offers a gateway to local PTA's resources and events, fostering community engagement and empowerment. Florida Department of Health. The Florida Department of Health is a government agency dedicated to the well-being of residents. Its resources span the spectrum of health, positively impacting individuals and families throughout the state. Early Steps. Early Steps lends a helping hand to families of children with disabilities. This program provides essential early intervention services to children from birth to 3 years old who face developmental challenges. 211.org. An all-encompassing resource, 211.org connects individuals and communities with essential social services, support, and information during times of need. CILs, Centers for Independent Living. CILs are community-based havens for individuals with disabilities. These organizations empower through services, support, advocacy, and the promotion of independent living and inclusion. Florida Family Leaders Network. Lastly, the Florida Family Leaders Network represents a partnership between families, youth, and professionals dedicated to serving children and youth with special healthcare needs. Their commitment embodies shared care and empowerment. Now we move on to national-level resources. Google, starting point. As a familiar beginning, Google serves as a universal entry point. Yet it's crucial to prioritize credible sources to ensure the accuracy and reliability of information. Center for Parent Information and Resources, ParentCenterHub.org. An online haven, this center provides a comprehensive array of valuable tools, resources, and information. It empowers parents and caregivers in supporting the educational needs of children with disabilities. U.S. Department of Education's Office of Special Education Programs, OSEP. Discretionary programs, OSEP's, funding and support, are instrumental in enhancing educational opportunities for children with disabilities nationwide. Their initiatives strive to improve outcomes for these individuals across the United States. The ARC, Services for Disabilities. The ARC stands as a beacon for individuals with intellectual and developmental disabilities and their families. Offering an array of resources, services, and programs, the ARC provides advocacy support and educational materials to enrich lives. Their local chapters extend direct services to families and individuals throughout the country. COPAA, Legal Rights Advocates. The Council of Parent Attorneys and Advocates (COPAA) champions the legal and civil rights of students with disabilities, offering a wealth of resources, including legal assistance, educational materials, and advocacy support. COPAA's network of attorneys and advocates offers guidance and support on disability-related issues. Rights Law, Special Education Empowerment. Rights Law, a trusted online resource, offers a wealth of information, articles, and resources on special education law and advocacy. Its aim is to empower parents and educators to navigate the intricate realm of special education knowledgeably and effectively. Let's continue with some additional national-level resources. National Alliance on Mental Illness, NAMI. NAMI is a grassroots force offering support, education, and advocacy for those impacted by mental illness. Their programs encompass support groups, educational resources, and helplines. NAMI's local chapters provide a space for community connections and understanding. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. The CDC stands as the vanguard of national public health in the United States. Committed to safeguarding health, preventing disease and injury, and responding to health crises, the CDC plays a vital role in promoting the well-being of individuals and communities. Health Resources and Services Administration (HRSA). U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, HRSA, under the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, tackles healthcare disparities and enhances access to quality healthcare services. Focusing on underserved populations, HRSA aims to improve health equity and outcomes for vulnerable communities. National Federation of Families for Children's Mental Health. This organization is dedicated to bolstering families with children and youth facing mental health challenges. Through support groups, advocacy, and resources, they provide a lifeline to families navigating complex terrain. Family Voices. Family Voices stands as a national advocate for children and youth with special healthcare needs and disabilities. It offers families a platform to voice their concerns, advocate for policy changes, and access the supports and services vital to their well-being. Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services (CMS). CMS, operating under the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, administers and oversees the Medicare and Medicaid programs. Ensuring healthcare access for millions, CMS plays a pivotal role in facilitating healthcare for Americans across diverse backgrounds. One thing you should know: we parent trainers will go above and beyond when it comes to information gathering. We utilizing innovative techniques to bridge the gap between families and the wealth of knowledge available. Our mission is to ensure that families are not only informed but also empowered to advocate for their children's well-being and educational success. These include SMORE Flyers. Parent trainers harness innovative tools like SMORE Flyers to effectively connect families with a wealth of information. These creative resources act as bridges, equipping families with the knowledge and resources needed to make informed decisions and advocate for their children's best interests. Monthly and quarterly newsletters. Parent trainers employ the power of creative communication through monthly and quarterly newsletters. These engaging formats provide families with valuable insights, tips, and resources in an accessible way. Through this approach, a sense of community and empowerment flourishes. FND Special Education and Special Healthcare Needs one-pagers. Visual appeal and practicality merge in FND's downloadable one-pagers. These user-friendly tools condense complex information into easily digestible formats. By simplifying the intricate world of special education and healthcare needs, these one-pagers empower families to navigate challenges more effectively. Here you can see our FND, Family. These are the programs housed under the Family Network on Disabilities. Each program provides a unique service to a specific population. There are 3 PTI programs funded by the U.S. Department of Education through the Office of Special Education Programs. POPIN serves North Florida, PSN serves Southwest Florida, and PEN serves Southeast Florida. The Family Star program, funded by the U.S. Department of Health under the Health Resources Services Administration, and supports families of youth with special health care needs. FND also has a special needs trust where we provide families with information regarding creating and supporting a special needs trust. We also do programming specific to fathers raising children with disabilities. Here you can see links for multiple downloadable resources available in various languages. You can also see some of our social media platforms. We have various pages on Facebook addressing the needs of different populations and our programs. I invite you to check out our website at www.fndusa.org for the hundreds of pages of resources and invaluable information that you can access and download at no charge. You can reach us to help you and your family by giving us a call at 8008-55736 and letting us know your needs. You'll be assigned to a staff person who can support you. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Visit our website for valuable resources and more information. We want to thank you for spending this time with us during this presentation. We look forward to hearing from you.